Okay, congratulations on purchasing your HydroBag for cleaning split systems. We just thought we'd go through what's in the box when you purchase it. You'll get a bag of goodies here, which one is the instruction booklet, one is a tube, and the other two connection devices for the hose underneath the bag. You'll also get a couple of straps. One's to hold the bag and one is to hold our drop sheet. Our drop sheet looks a bit like this, which is designed to go up underneath the AC unit and drapes into our HydroBag. The next component, the main component obviously, is our HydroBag itself, and then you'll also get our concertina frame which the bag goes on. So the frame looks a little bit like this when it's put up. The bag goes over these corner points and connects both ends via our little poles that come out, and you can get the handles through there. It's all explained in detail in our Hydro booklet, so I suggest that you read through that, and it should explain how to put the product together.